student, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about utilizing exercise to help manage stress. Now, pregnancy can be a time of high stress for women, and exercise is an important way to cope with that stress you might be experiencing. Along with being good for your body, exercise helps improve your mood and reduces depression and anxiety. Now, I know you're busy, so this video is going to show you some exercises you can use in your home without any equipment to help cope with your stress. Now, before we begin, there's a few things you need to keep in mind. Make sure to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any form of exercise to make sure it's safe and healthy for both you and your baby. If you're just starting to be physically active now, it's important to start slowly and increase your amount gradually over time. Be patient with yourself. Moderate intensity exercise, 30 minutes per day is what's recommended. This means you're working hard enough to raise your heart rate and sweat a little bit. Now, I know this sounds overwhelming at first, but keep in mind you can split this up into 3 10-minute sessions throughout the day whenever it works into your schedule. While you're pregnant, avoid doing activities that are going to have you lying flat on your back or that put you at risk of falling or any sort of belly injury.
Hi, my name is Shanna, and I'm also a nursing student. I'm going to be working with Alex today to show you exercises that you can do in 10-minute sessions when you're feeling high amounts of stress throughout your day. Keep in mind, this is not a workout video in its entirety. We're showing you exercises that you can use to create your own routine. These are the exercises that we'll be using in this video. All right, we're going to start with shoulder rolls. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get in a standing, relaxed position. Your feet should be about shoulders width apart, and you're going to make sure you're relaxed, not locking your knees. And we're focusing on the shoulder. So starting with your right shoulder, you're going to rotate it forward, completing a circle, and you can do this 10 times. And then you can switch to your left, doing it 10 times on that side, and then you can do both shoulders for 10 times. For arm circles, you're going to start by extending your arms out to your side with your palms down. You're going to make small, smooth circles with your arms going forward. You can do this about 20 times, and then you can switch to rotating your arms backwards in small, smooth circles. And do that for 20 times as well. You can make this exercise a little bit harder if you point your fingers up to the sky, or if you make your circles bigger. For the side stretch, you're going to start in a standing position. You're going to reach one arm up and stretch it across your body. You want to make sure that you're keeping your hip and your feet aligned. You don't want to overextend because this will throw your body out of alignment and can cause pain. You're going to hold this for 5 seconds, and then you're going to switch sides and hold that for 5 seconds. You can repeat these exercises for 30 to 60 seconds. Our next exercise is going to be calf stretches. Use a chair to make sure that you're balanced throughout this exercise. You're going to put your hands on the chair for stability, like Alex is showing. Then you're going to take a step back with your right leg. Keep your back leg straight, but make sure you're not locking your knee, and bend your front leg. Notice how Alex is in a straight diagonal line from her shoulders to her feet. You're going to hold this for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to switch legs. You can repeat this exercise stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Our last form of exercise is going to be marching in place. You're going to start in a standing, relaxed position, feet about shoulders width apart, and you're going to march in place. You should make sure that you're moving your hands with the exercise. Perfect. You can do this for 1 minute.
Thanks for watching our video. These warm-ups can be included in your exercise routine as you work to manage your stress during your pregnancy. Go ahead and go to Exercises for Stress Management Part 2 for further exercises you can be including into your daily life.